Hi everyone, my name is Freddy Silva, and this is my presentation about my favorite music and songs I love. In this video, I am going to talk about my favorite music, especially about types of song I am like to listen to when I am working and studying. My favorite type of music is salsa, especially romantic to hear music how like rock in Spanish. These bands are from cities in Argentina, Mexico, Spain, and Puerto Rico. This music was born in 1990, so has been the most music it represents rock in Spanish and salsa romantic. I especially love Ananitos Verdes or Hombres G or Andrés Calamaro or Elefante and Tony Vega. My favorite song is Luz de Día, Lo Noto, and Durmiendo con la Luna. I like these songs because they can rhyme at their lyrics piece when I am listening. I have like these songs since my adolescence when I listen to them best friends. When I listen to this music free time, first time I feel it was best for my ears. This genre will be the best advice. I think that we all must have a type of music that identifies us. Also, music will always be a way to feel peace and calm. When we are we're working and studying, this helps us to concentrate and really enjoy each moment. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.